Paano nga ba tayo makapag-cash in or makapag-deposit sa ating Maribank account nang walang bayad or charge gamit ang InstaPay mula sa ibang digital bank or e-wallets? By the way guys, kung bago ka lang sa channel na to at gusto mo pa ng mga tutorial videos na kagaya nito, hit the subscribe button. Okay, when cashing into Maribank or other digital banks, GCash is the most widely used. Karamihan sa atin ay ginagamit ang GCash as a default e-wallets for sending or receiving money. But please note guys, GCash or other e-wallets like Maya charges an InstaPay fee of around 10 pesos. At sa ngayon guys, to cash in Maribank without fee, okay, ang gagamitin natin ay GoTyme Digital Bank. At kung wala ka pa ng GoTyme Bank at gusto mong gumawa nito, ay may tutorial po ako guys nito kung paano gumawa ng GoTyme Bank account at ilalagay ko po yung link nito sa aking description box. Okay, to cash in Maribank, gamit ang GoTyme Bank, first is open your Maribank application, then copy your account number. At sunod naman ay i-open naman natin yung ating GoTyme Bank account application. Then itap mo tong send or transfer sa yung home screen. Okay, then select account number at hanapin mo dito yung Maribank Philippines or Cbank. At kung sakaling hindi mo makita agad, just type Maribank into the search bar at the top of your screen. At kapag nakita mo na, ay itap mo na itong Maribank Philippines or Cbank. Then ilagay mo yung Maribank account number at yung recipient full name. Dito naman guys sa note is optional, so pwede kang maglagay and pwede naman hindi. Okay, then tap next. At dito sa GoTyme Bank, ay makakakuha ka ng 20 InstaPay transfer to other local bank or e-wallets every month nang walang fee or charge. And enter the amount you want to send. So halimbawa 500 pesos. Make sure lang guys na hindi lalampas ang inyong available balance. At pipili ka if move funds to own account, payment, send to family, or donations. So dahil sa akin guys, these two accounts belong to me personally. So ang pipiliin ko ay move funds to own account. Okay, then i-double check mo yung mga details. And as you can see guys, walang charge or fee. Then itap po to transfer now and confirm using your passcode. Then tap details. So ayan guys, successfully moved my money from GoTyme to Maribank. At nabawasan na nga yung aking available balance. At makikita natin dito sa Maribank na nailipat na yung 500 pesos nang walang charge or fee. Okay, so ganun lang po kadali mag-cash in sa Maribank gamit ang GoTyme Bank ng walang charge or fee. And I hope na nakatulong itong video sa inyo. And thank you for watching.